Hi everyone, this is Imran here, and today in this video training I'm gonna show you how you can manage your website using cPanel. cPanel is basically a control panel, a tool to manage your web server using its easy to use visual interface. Well, if you are looking for any web hosting provider who provides web hosting with cPanel, I would like to recommend you 3 hosting providers: GreenGeeks, A2 Hosting, and Bluehost. If you purchase any hosting package with any of these providers, you will get web hosting account with cPanel. Well, once you have purchased any cPanel-based web hosting account, you will get access details like your username and password in your email. Then you will be able to access the cPanel interface. But nowadays, most of the companies provide direct link to the cPanel from the website account. Say for example, if you purchase any hosting package from GreenGeeks or any of this, then you will get a link from your account to the cPanel. Okay, that's not the common thing, but in most cases, what you will have to do, you will have to type your website address in the website browser address bar. Here is the website I have, wpeters.me, and to access the cPanel, what I will have to do, I will have to type /cPanel after the domain name. Remember, this is the domain name, wpeters.me, and after the domain name, type / and then cPanel and hit enter. And alternatively, you can access the cPanel just typing clone and 2082 port. And if you have SSL, then you will have to type 83. Okay. So, and here you can see I'll have to put my username and password here to access cPanel. If you haven't got any of this, just contact your hosting provider. You will find details from them. Just hit login. Once you have logged in, you should see a screen similar to this. And let's get around to the interface. On the top, here you can see a search bar. You can search for any functionality within this cPanel. And here you can see user details. And here you can see a notification bell. I think you know what notification is about. And here you can see logout link. And on the left here you can see sidebar. And my hosting provider provided me only 2, home and user manager. And here you can see several sections or modules that you will use to manage your website. The first one is files. Website means files, text, images, videos. So if you would like to manage your website, firstly you will have to know how to manage file manager, how to use file manager. And in this video training, I will mainly show how to use file manager. Okay, and here you can see a minus sign, and if you click on it, you can collapse it. If you click on the minus sign, you can easily collapse it. And I would like to say, if you are very new to cPanel, that I think you will enjoy it. And if you have previous knowledge, then I think you might feel a bit boring, but I want you enjoy my video. And here you can see on the right side, general information, the username and the domain and the shared IP and some other informations. How many email accounts I have. As it is a fresh installation, I don't have any email accounts at the moment. And add-on domains, etc. Okay, but today in this video training, I will mainly show you how you can use files section. And now, if I click on it, you will see the details. And another thing that I would like to show you, you can reorder these sections. Just here you can see hand icon. Just again, if you would like to if you would like to bring the database to the near of the top or domains to the near of the top, just drag it and drop top. And here you can see domains are on the top. In the same way, you can bring it down. Just pretty easy, drag and drop. File manager is very important because you will access the root directory of your server. Okay, so if you would like to install WordPress, CMS or any other CMS, firstly you will have to upload your files here on the file manager. So I'm gonna click on file manager and open it in a new tab. Okay, so this is the interface of file manager. Just click it and open in a new tab. Okay, and on the file manager here you can see this is our home directory and these are the subdirectory, but on the right you can see this. If you click any of this and you will just easily get into that directory. And I have clicked on public_HTML and it's here. Okay, so friends, what we can do here, just seeing the interface file menu, you could I think you could guess something. You can create a file, you can create a folder, you can copy a file, you can move, upload, blah blah. You can do a lots of things, but I will show you step by step. First of all, I'm gonna introduce you that public_HTML is your web root directory. Public_HTML is the web root directory. That means everything you put here will just, your visitor will access that. So let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna visit my site and here you can see once I visit, and here you can see if I visit my site wptarts.me, it shows nothing, but just because under public_HTML we have nothing, we don't have any file here, so it can't display anything. Okay, if I create any file, you can see here. That's why this is the web root directory. Okay, firstly let me create a file. I'm gonna click on this plus sign before file, so I'll be able to create a file. And you can create a file like .html file, .php file. And if you are a web developer, I think you know what's a HTML file, what's a PHP file. Just it's a web file, and I'm gonna create a file called index.html. Just create file. And now if I reload it, now here you can see the index.html file is indexing, and we see nothing because we haven't write anything to the file. So let me show you how we can write anything to this file. Just click on that file index.html and right click, and here you can see edit. Click on edit, and here you can see you can write anything, but I'm gonna write hi everyone. Okay, I have written this text, and now I'm gonna hit save changes button. Okay, now reload this, and here you can see hi everyone, this is Simran. That's fine. So we have learned already how to create a file and how we can edit a file. That's fantastic. You are going to be expert on cPanel step by step, but you will have to complete the video. You will have to watch the whole video. If you skip it, then you will lose it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how we can create a folder. Say for example, if we want to design a website or build a website, we'll have to create files, folders, and inside the folders we'll have to put some files like images, text, blah blah. So I'm gonna click on the plus sign before folder, or just click here, and here you can see it asks me to name it. So I'm gonna name it assets. Assets mean images, CSS file, and JavaScript files I will put inside it. And here you can see I have created a folder. Fantastic. And if I double click on it, then you can see I am inside the folder. On the left side, this assets is selected. I mean highlighted. I'm sorry. It is highlighted. It's bold. That's why you can see where you are in your location. Okay. Inside here, I can create another file. Say for example, style.css. Okay, fine. Another file, main.js. Okay, so by now you can create a file, you can create a folder, and let's see how you can copy and move. Okay, I'll show you later. I'm gonna upload something now. Okay, but what should I do? And now I'm gonna teach you something that now I'm inside this assets folder, but I want to access the direct public_HTML folder or file or just folder. So what I'll have to do here, you can see up on level. That means I'm gonna get outside of this folder or directory. In the web language, it's called directory, but in most cases, people say folder, but it's a directory actually. So if I click here, then I'm outside of assets folder or directory. Now I'm here, you can see public_HTML is bold. That's from this you can understand your current location or position where you are. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how you can delete a file. I'm gonna delete all of this. Okay, just select it. Here you can see once you have selected any file, you will see some of the options are highlighted or active or become active. So click on it and hit delete and skip the trash and permanently delete this. If you check this, then this file won't be saved in the trash file directory. So just hit confirm, select assets, hit delete. Here you can see, hi everyone, this is Imran Emo. Now if I reload it, it's nothing. Again, our public_HTML directory is blank. We have nothing. Okay friends, and here you can see WordPress. I'm gonna click on downloads, get WordPress, download. It has been downloaded within a few seconds. So what I'm gonna teach you now, I'm gonna teach you how you can upload a file. Actually, you can upload a file to your file manager using a third-party application like FileZilla, creating an FTP account. But you can also upload any file using this browsing option, just upload. Okay, so before you upload anything, you should take care of the directory that you are in. Here I'm in public_HTML. So if I upload any file, that will go directly under public_HTML. Okay, so I'm gonna click on upload. And here you can see, select the file you want to upload to this following directory. Okay, and overwrite existing file. That means you are gonna upload any file but that already exists. So what it will do, it will just override the existing file. I mean, it will kill the previous one and upload a new one. I'm gonna hit select file, and downloads. Here you can see WordPress. It's a zip file, and open, and it's going to be uploaded. Very fast server, very fast internet. According to my location, I'm here in Dhaka, Bangladesh, but according to my situation, it's very fast. Okay, so here you can see upload is 100% complete. Okay, that's fine. So I'm gonna click on here. So friends, we are gonna learn something else. Here you can see reload button. If I click on it and okay, anything wrong? Okay, it took some time, but here it is. After I click on reload, here you can see my file WordPress dot something blah blah zip file is uploaded. Now here you can see a zip file. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how you can unzip this. I mean extract this file. Just click on it. Here you can see extract. So just click on it and a pop-up box will show up and it asks you where would you like to extract the file, and I'm gonna extract it in the same directory, public_html. Just click extract files, and here you can see this is the previous one, and we see a new directory or folder. And if I click on it, and here you can see all the files. Okay, sorry. And what I'm going to do is just click on up on level, and here you can see we could extract it. Now I'm gonna teach you something else. I'm gonna bring all the files inside this WordPress directory to the on directory up. I mean directly under publish_html. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to click on it and access all the files, and here you can see select all. Just click on select all, and here you can see move. Here you can see move on here. Just click on move, and now I'm gonna show the directory where it will go. Just I'm going to put it public_html. Just click on move files. Now here you can see this directory is empty, and I'm gonna click again up on level, and here you can see under public_html, under public_html, here you can see all the WordPress plugin, WordPress CMS file. Now I'm gonna teach you something else, how I can delete a file. Now I don't need this zip file. Just select the file, and here you can see delete button. Before you delete something or rename something, just be careful, be sure, be 100% sure, because it might ruin your files. Okay, just click on delete, hit confirm. Okay, now the file is deleted. So it's easy to delete a file. And now I'm gonna show you how you can rename a file. Here it is, rename. So here you can see wp config -- file, but I have selected it. Now I'm gonna click on rename, and here you can see you can rename it. Just I'm gonna rename it to wp-config.php. Okay, the file name is renamed. Well friends, I'm gonna say you that through this video training you are going to also learn how you can install WordPress CMS. Okay, so earlier I showed you how to edit a file, and now if you would like to search for any file, say for example you wanna search index.php file, here you can see search all of your file or choose a directory or only public-html, public_html, and here you type the name index.php and hit go, and here you can see the files, but I'm gonna select this one. Okay, here it is. Well, I showed you how to search a file, and I'm gonna show you something else. On the right here you can see settings, and the most important setting is you can show any hidden file. Just hit save, and sometimes you will have to show any hidden file like .htaccess file. Then you will come here and check this and hit save. And the final thing that I would like to show you how you can change the permission. It's advanced, but just select any file and here you can see the permission. Okay. Well friends, here I think I could complete all of this, but if you here you can see view trash, just click on it and you can see all the files that I have deleted. And if you click on it and you can see here restore, just click on restore, click restore and click here. Okay, click here public_html and you will find this file here again. That means if you delete any file, you can restore it again. So friends, that's all about how you can work with the file manager. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can work with the databases. And if you follow all my tutorials on cPanel, and after that, you will be able to install any CMS on cPanel like WordPress. And if you need any hosting, just please follow my affiliate links and you can purchase any hosting package from any of this. And if you like my videos and if you just see all of my videos, then come to my channel if this is the first time and hit subscribe button and like this video. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.